Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a low curly bun hairstyle. First of all, we're going to section off the hair from ear to ear and clip that top section out of the way for later. Take that bottom section and just secure it into a low ponytail using an elastic band. I'm then going to spray some texture spray all over that ponytail and just massage that into the hair. Lift that ponytail straight up and gently back brush the entire ponytail just to give it lots of volume. Use your brush to gently smooth out the top layers of that ponytail. Twist that ponytail around itself and just twist it around that elastic band to form a simple bun shape. And then all we're going to do is bobby pin this to the head. Once you've formed your bun, go ahead and release that top section of hair and separate a small slice of hair from the back. We're going to curl this using a thin curling tong. This just helps give the style a lot more of a curly look. When curling the hair, it's important to remember to curl each curl in the opposite direction to the last. This way they'll all stay separate and they won't all join together. Continue using this method to curl the entire hair, taking thin slices of hair as you work up the head. Now that we've curled the entire head, all we're going to do is spend a few minutes just carefully arranging those curls so they look pretty and just secure them all across the top of that bun. With the side sections, I've twisted these a little bit as I've pulled them back just to give it a messier look. Now that you've pinned everything around the top of that bun, we're just going to take those tail ends and just loop them over and pin them to the actual bun itself where you think these look best. Don't forget to pin some of those tail ends towards the side of the bun, because we don't want any of that original bun showing. We want it all covered in curls. So here's the finished look. If you like this style, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.